I decided I needed to come on and go, whoa, hold on. I'm going to try and keep this really short. I'm sure after those 5 videos you're on Sally overload. I don't really want to apologize for what I did because I said from the beginning I was going to try and really keep it honest. What I want to try and do is maybe sweep it up a little. I had a couple emails from people who maybe don't know me as well and haven't been around from the beginning, but it was like they thought this was the end for me. Shook me up just a little. This is definitely not the end. I'm not dying. I'm not giving up. I've just been trying to keep this whole journey very real, very personal. And, for those of you that choose not to be join with parts of it, that's really fine with me. I did this for me and my family and a few friends that couldn't be nearby. What I did want to say was that my cancer is so minute. I had a trace cell, one that they found after my surgery. And the chemo is just insurance to try and kill that one cell so it doesn't become something else. And this is how big just the chemo alone has affected my body. So imagine someone that has cancer that, is all through their body or, is taking over organs. I can't imagine what they're going through. Mine is so minute. I apologize if anything that I did in those 5 videos were too big, too overblown, too emotional, but that's where I was. That's where, that's where I live. It's been about, 4 or 5 days since I've been out of the hospital. I definitely feel better than I was there. I still have the pain or abscess or whatever in my abdomen, and we're waiting for antibiotics to do some work, and then I'll be going back in for another CT next week, and we'll go from there. We did some blood work yesterday. So I haven't given up. And if I choose not to do the last 2 chemos, it's not because I'm dying and this is the end. It's just because I think my body's been through enough right now, especially for one cell. I think at this point we probably killed it. So I just wanted you all to know, please take care. I love you, and I'll be back soon.